Today, we're getting our first glimpse of the Samsung Galaxy S24 and Galaxy S24 Plus, marking a significant shift in Samsung's design approach for 2024 as they opt for a flat design. This means that both phones will feature flat screens with rounded corners, reminiscent of the iPhone 14 Pro and Pro Max. Just like this time last year, the complete design of Samsung's upcoming Galaxy S series phones has been leaked. Notably, the well-regarded and trustworthy leaker, OnLeaks, also known as Steve Hemmerstoffer, is starting with the smallest member of the Galaxy S24 family, and we anticipate more details about the Galaxy S24 Ultra coming shortly. The rear of the phone retains the 3-camera setup, akin to the Galaxy S23 from the previous year. However, the front of the Galaxy S24 promises an exciting change. It will feature extremely thin bezels, even thinner than those on the iPhone 15 Pro, measuring just 1.5 millimeters compared to the iPhone's 1.7 millimeters. This will be welcome news for those who pay attention to bezel size. We are eagerly awaiting the reveal of the Galaxy S24 Ultra, which is likely to happen within the next 48 hours. Don't forget to subscribe to stay updated on the latest developments. Now let's delve into the screens of the entire Galaxy S24 series. According to Ice Universe, Samsung is introducing exceptionally bright displays with a dazzling 2,500 nits across all models, which is truly exciting. Furthermore, for the first time, the S24 Plus will feature a high-quality Quad HD Plus resolution, matching the Ultra model. Alongside these screen enhancements, the battery sizes remain consistent with last year's models, as do the fast charging capabilities for each variant. Anticipation is building for the reveal of the S24 Ultra. While it may not have as slim bezels as the S24 or S24 Plus, we will have a definitive answer when we see the actual design. Ensure you subscribe to avoid missing any updates. Do you like the first look of the S24? Comment below. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.